Hey everybody, it is Monday, November 18th, 2025. We're out on Lake Maumelle today. So the wind is blowing out of the southwest. I was going to try and fish offshore for a little bit, see if I could get anything that way. I'm at sort of a pretty decent hump that extends way out into the water. I was going to run across that, just throwing things across it and seeing if I could get anything there. And then, we'll just go where the day takes us. So let's get to it. It's a little bit warmer over here. And this is kind of a wind-blown point, so I was going to try here for a little bit. Still nothing. Keep on going. Oh, good fish. Oh, it came off. Did it? Yep. Yeah! Oh my gosh. On the jig of all things. Oh man, all day. Probably about 2 pounds. Gorgeous fish. Gotta love it. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Awesome. Finally got one. Oh, yeah. So just in a big flat, I didn't actually think, the jig was going to work out here, but just nothing has been working. Swim baits, crankbaits, jigs, swim jigs, chatterbaits. But, at least we finally got something. I did get a good bite on one earlier. It may have been the same fish, but we'll try around here for a little bit longer and then just kind of keep moving. Yes! Oh. Boy, barely had it hooked. Oh, so cool. Maybe 1.5 pounds. Good little fish. Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, no, stay on. Yeah! All right. Look at that. A little bit better hook this time. All right. There we go. Boy, it looks so similar to the one I just caught, but it is smaller. That was awesome. There we go. So it's picking up a little bit. Dang it. Oh, it felt like a bite. Maybe. Well, missed that one. Yep. All right. Smallest of the day. Still fun. Woo. I'd be angry too. I'm hoping I got that last fish, but if not, you know, it's just the way it goes. But this spot was pretty nice to us. Got 5 fish, some high, you know, some good quality fish too. You know, a 2-pounder and a couple of 1.5-pounders. And then a couple smaller fish as well. But we're gonna move on now. Bite seems to died off a little bit here. Just gonna go some other places that I haven't been before and just try them out, and then we'll start heading home.